Select Author. We did it! Let's create holes for piles. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. That's all. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Keep up the good work. We have to assemble Pile Driver. We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacles. Tap on all the objects, don't stop. Let's drive the piles for the foundation. Let's wash Pile Driver. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We have to assemble drop side truck. Ready. It's time to fuel drop side truck. We did it! Let's prepare for the concrete pouring. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. Hooray! We have to assemble cement mixer. Keep it up. Help the car reach its destination. Hold the lever down to clear the way. Hold the lever down to clear the way. That's all. Let's put concrete for the foundation. Let's wash cement mixer. Hooray! We have to assemble drop side truck. You're doing really great. It's time to fuel drop side truck. That's all. Let's build a frame. Fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! Hooray! We need to assemble. Crane truck. Don't stop! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. That's all. Let's install the roof. Let's wash. Crane truck. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Keep it up. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Let's finish the walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Hooray! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Bucket lift. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Keep up the good work. We need to protect the house from foul weather. We need to wash. Bucket lift. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Done! We need to assemble. Lift crane. That's all. It's time to fuel. Lift crane. Ready. Let's finish the porch. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. You're doing really great. We did it! We have to assemble garbage truck. Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Drag the part to its place. waste. Let's wash. Garbage truck. We did it! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. That's all. Let's plant the trees in the yard. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Hold the lever down to clear the way. Keep up the good work. And now we can finish construction.